I think it's time we have a look at rearranging clips and maybe deleting some as well. Let's have a look. Now, we know from the last video that if you tap on a clip, you get some circular buttons. But if you tap and hold on a clip and move your finger up, pulling it away from that timeline, you can actually rearrange it wherever you like. You can drop that little floating clip at any point in your timeline. It's very fast to rearrange your clips. And don't forget, you can always press that play button in the bottom left corner to preview what you've got so far. To delete a clip, put your finger on it again and hold just like before, but this time bring it up and let go in the middle of the screen. Just like that, it'll be gone from your timeline. Alternatively, if you tap on the clip once, you can press the circular delete button in the middle, and that will get rid of it for you as well.